Number 3, the decision maker. And I don't know about you, but if you've ever been on a boat where, like on a cruise or even just a regular boat, it doesn't even have to be a cruise, that sometimes unexpected weather can come out of nowhere. And as a captain, sort of similar to if you're leading your project, you have to be adaptable and having the ability to make crucial decisions on the fly, not this type of fly or this type of fly, but I'm just saying on the fly, just in case of circumstances shift. Because I've shared with you before in previous videos that as project managers, and I was guilty of this before, and then one time a project manager, a senior project manager, this was early in my career, pulled me aside and was like, listen, Edward, you have to be adaptable. And I was like, what does that even mean? Because I know, I mean, for my common sense, I get where it means, but what we're leveraging a waterfall. This is the reason it's step by step the way that it is. He was like, yes, that's great. He was like, but you can't keep running into a wall expecting that you're going to go through it instead of finding a way to go around it. Ooh, I like that. Because what he was saying to me, family, was basically that sometimes plans do change.